My name is Esian Henderson from Kansas City, Missouri. Just want to talk about my experience with Cody Hofhine and the Wholesaling Inc program. Went through the tribe, joined the tribe in about 2 years ago. Everything's been great. Super simple process. I had zero real estate knowledge before joining the tribe, and before I even finished the courses, I had my first deal under contract. So the tribe is great. 2 years later, I've scaled my business and I have a team that I manage. I also host a meetup in my city, and I teach a lot of the fundamentals that I've learned. It kind of always goes back to the things that they taught in the tribe. For anybody looking to get in real estate, I highly recommend you get a coach, and I highly recommend Cody Hofhine specifically, Tom Crow specifically, in the Wholesaling Inc program. Learned a ton from these guys, and yeah, you definitely need to join as soon as you can. Thanks for everything, fellas. Talk to you soon.